Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, you've been looking online, been watching some videos, and you want to pick up a case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Look no further. I am going to review the Benks MagClap Air case for your beautiful S24 Ultra. I did review their MagClap Armor Pro case a couple days ago, so you can check out that video and can see the difference. This is more like a minimalistic case, more like almost like you have a skin on your phone instead of a case. I need to give a shout out to them for sending this out to me for a review. They did also give me a discount code, so look in the description. You can pick this up from their website and use the code and save you some money. But bam, I've been using the Pro case all the time since I reviewed it, and I really do enjoy it. It's 600D Dupont Kevlar on here. It says since 2008. I do like the presentation. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But let's see how this case is. Again, the packaging gets an A+. So, yeah, so I can tell right off the bat, this case is very thin. You have your little Magsafe logo there. But you can tell, like, the size and all these buttons are open. Even at the bottom, like the charging port. You have a little slit to get the case on and off. I do like the camera cutout, though, just like the Pro. Bam, look at that. So you do get camera protection there. You can definitely do so. Interruption there. But you can definitely see the cutouts there. You definitely get some lip camera protection. You really don't get any type of lip protection. I would really wear or have a glass screen protector on my phone because there's nothing there. Like, you can tell, you can even see some of the size. So if you're going to drop this phone with this case on there, might be in a little trouble if it lands on your screen. So get your screen protector. Everything lines up at the bottom. The speaker, you have enough room down there to, you know, put in your charging port. The pin is easier to get out because there's not much. I mean, it's basically like you have a skin on your phone. The power button and the vine rockers are open there too. You have a little cutout for your microphones up there. And then to get these cases off, it does take some work. So if you do drop it and it survives, it's not just going to come popping off either. So the fit is really good on here. So, I mean, you have to really struggle to get that off. I don't have to really check out the power button because, there's no power button there. What y'all think about that cutout? Do y'all like these thin, minimalistic cases? Like, when I'm around my house, this is like the case I like to use because if I drop it, I don't think it's going to really break unless I'm in the kitchen or something. But rocking it every day, I don't think it's bad. I like the feel. I do like the feel of it too. You have some grip on there. And again, it doesn't add bulk at all. It's not, it's definitely not a bulky case. Can you use the pen and do, MagSafe charging? Let's see. Let's see how strong the magnet is too. So the magnet is very strong. I do like how Benks has it. They do a strong magnet on here. And it's definitely a strong magnet. Let's check out and see. Do y'all think we will have a problem using the pen? I'm going to say with 100%, no. You can see you can wireless charge. Let's see, where did my little pen go? Put this back in. Do you think we're going to have a problem? Probably not. So as you can tell, There's no issues with writing or typing on there using the pen. A lot of people were saying they would have trouble with these things. I haven't had any trouble using the S Pen with different type of MagSafe things on there. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. Stay tuned to the channel. I might put this against another, you know, thin case, Aramid Fiber case, and just do like a battle or comparison type of video. So stay tuned. But again, if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.